What's up, orthos? My name is Keaton Walker. Welcome back to another video. In this one, we're going to be going over the top 3 Facebook ads mistakes that I see being made across the country from a lot of different orthodontists. I really hope you can avoid these mistakes, and I'm really excited to show them to you. For this presentation, I'm going to be pulling a lot of ads from a tool I made over the summer called the Ultimate Ortho Ad Swipe File. Inside there's like 200 plus ads that I've taken screenshots of just throughout what I'm doing during the day, and you can take a look at this. There's a link below in the description where you can download this ortho ad swipe file for yourself. So just so you understand what a Facebook ad is, what it looks like, and the different elements, these are listed in order of importance. So this is the primary text. This is the most important thing, followed closely by the picture or the video that you're using. And then really all of these other things are secondary. So we're mostly going to be talking about number 1 and number 2 today. So let's go ahead and hop into the top 3 Facebook ads mistakes. Number 1 is going straight for the sale. So this is a problem I see a ton. And that's, I'm offering $500 off Invisalign or $750 off Invisalign or some other kind of special, and I should be able to pay Facebook $100 and get 10 new patients out of it because I'm running it special and that's how I feel. That's not how it works. Let's take a look at the marketing funnel. If you haven't seen a funnel before, this is what it looks like. And the idea is at the very top, there's more people who are aware of your practice that are considering treatment with your practice. There's more people considering treatment with your practice than have actually converted and become patients. And there's more people who are patients who are totally loyal to you. And there's more people who are totally loyal to you than are really actively promoting you. So the problem with going straight for the sale is that you're trying to bypass the awareness and consideration stages. There's buyer resistance. The human condition is that they're skeptical, they're unsure who they're going to get treatment from or if they even want treatment. And so you can't just go straight for the sale because it's not how it works. We as humans need time to warm up to purchases, especially when they're multi-$1,000 purchases like Invisalign or braces. So let's take a look at a couple ads in the swipe file that exhibit this and talk about what they could be doing better. A good example of this, I think it's on this page down here. Here it is. So a good bad example is this one. This summer, take advantage of our amazing $2,995 braces special as low as $59 per month. Download the offer now. Now, this is an amazing offer, and if you're going to run a direct to sale offer, this is something that I would do, but for most orthodontists who are charging $5,000 to $6,000 for a case, this is not going to fly with their business model. So if you're running $500 off Invisalign or $750 off, definitely don't do this. If you're running this, I might consider it, but it's a good example of, again, skipping those 2 preliminary parts of the funnel. So they're not trying to tell us why we should choose them over any orthodontist. They're not trying to warm us up or help us to understand why we need treatment. They're just saying, hey, $2,997, come in for a consult right now. You can download your voucher. So I could see this working only because the offer is so crazy. Another example of one that I can almost guarantee did not work very well is, let's see, this one. Check out this summer special for a limited time. Get $500 off braces or Invisalign. Click to request a free consult today. So yeah, that's great. You're offering $500 off, but unless your prospects already know who you are, an ad like this doesn't really work because they're not sold on you as the orthodontist. They're only coming to you to price shop, and they're also only coming to you because of the discount. So you're bribing them to come in instead of helping them understand why they should choose you. And aside from those reasons, it really just doesn't convert that well because people have seen this so many times. So you need to find a way to introduce them to your practice before you try to send them some sort of special discount. So mistake number 2 is only focusing on awareness or not really having a good CTA or call to action. So what I mean by this is, if we go back to the marketing funnel, instead of building a campaign that helps take people from aware to considering to converting and then later to loyalty and hopefully to promotion, you're only doing this top part. You're only making them more aware of your practice, which really doesn't do that much in the long term because you're not helping them take action right away. Let's look at a couple examples here. Here's a good example. Dr. Karen Grimbaum specializes in lingual, traditional, invisible, Invisalign braces. Call for your free consultation. So it does have a call to action, call for your free consultation, but how am I supposed to call you? I'm on Facebook. Also, I'm probably scrolling through Facebook after your business hours, so I can't call. And when I click here, it's probably just taking me to the front page of your website, which I might be able to find your phone number, but I'll probably get lost by all of the other things that you have on your website. So this isn't allowing them to take an easy action that shows they're interested in you. Here's another one. Isabella thrilled with her new retainer and new look. Contact us. There's the call to action, but again, not very compelling. No real call to action. They're probably running this to cold traffic and not really explaining why they should reach out or how they should reach out here. Just saying, Isabella thrilled with her new retainer and new look, and then contact us. And then let's look at one more example. These ones I didn't really totally understand. They did a long campaign, but love summer life smiling. Summer is the perfect time to make your smile even more magnificent with Invisalign braces. We've got your summer vibe. And then this picture that doesn't really have a ton to do with what they're saying here. And then contact us. So again, this is only awareness. I'm almost certain that this contact us page just takes you to a website, which at the end of the day doesn't really help you actually get in contact with these people. Okay, so mistake number 3 is ugly copy. And the word copy in marketing terms is talking about the pictures and the words that you're using in your ads. So let's take a look at a couple ads that are not very aesthetically pleasing. Mostly I'm going to be focusing on the pictures in this swipe file, the ones that really aren't that compelling or exciting. So there's always a big debate between stock photos and like a photo like this that's obviously not professional but is a lot more fun. I would go with this kind of picture 95% of the time. It's going to perform better. People are going to like the local, more organic feel of your ads. So let's look at some where we might not be as excited about the picture. I think this one personally looks really ugly. I wouldn't click on it. This is an example of a great picture. This is super fun. You can see the team. You can see what they're all about. In my opinion, this is very, obviously it's a video, so we can just see this part of the video, but it looks really ugly to me. And then also this one is horrendous. I don't like the logo. I don't like anything about this ad, honestly, and definitely not something I would want showing up on my Facebook feed. So tips to making your ads look better. At the very bottom, I put in a lot of different ads from people like Smile Direct Club, and like, look at this, that's awesome, that's such a good picture, something I would totally be okay with showing up on my Facebook or Instagram feed. Same with this one, that looks amazing. This one looks good. Something like this, like you can tell it's professionally designed. Another bad example would be something like this. It's just not that good looking, and it's not something that I want showing up on my feed. So yeah, that's mistake number 3. So I didn't want this video to be like a doomsday type thing where I'm saying all of you are running horrible ads, why are you doing this? I just wanted it to be a way of helping you avoid mistakes, because I've made plenty of them and I don't want you to have to make them. And the way that you can do that is through reviewing the other videos on my channel, following me on Facebook. I post tips and tricks about how to run profitable Facebook ads for orthodontists there. And again, down below this video you can download the ortho ad swipe file where you can look at all of the other ads that I was able to screenshot over the summer and see which ones you want to apply to your practice and which ones you think are bad and which ones you think are good. If you have any other questions, please feel free to reach out to me or go visit us at orthopatients.com. Thanks for watching this video today, and I'll talk to you soon.